one. Yes, let's bet. Wow! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wow! Oh my gosh, top 3. I'm gonna pick this. Okay, hold up! Up, Troy. You do not touch it. I'm gonna press it. Thanks.
Okay, guys, we are been back, and we're gonna get this.
Yes, yes! Let's go!
Alright, here's the something else you have to.
Let's go. Bye for now. Bye.
Okay, bye bye. See you next time.
Alright, here's the new The Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. I'm gonna drop the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 on my tablets. How dare you trouble my right? That's it. You're running. You're running. Wow. You're stupid right there. That is so bad. It's Daddy. That is so bad. Now go to your room. Oh my gosh. Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. I don't care. Troy. Now go to your room.